how to enable macros in Freshdesk. Hello friends, welcome to this tutorial. In this tutorial, I'll teach you how you can enable macros in Freshdesk. So how can you enable macros? The first step is to sign in into your Freshdesk account. Okay, enabling macros in Freshdesk can help you automate repetitive tasks. And then after logging into your Freshdesk account, move over to your admin portal by moving to the left side of the screen where you can see a menu displaying several options. After clicking on your admin portal, you'll be brought to the admin's page. On this page, by the left side of the screen, you can see options like team, channels, workflows, account, agent productivity, support operations account. Just go ahead and click on workflows. After clicking on workflows, on the workflows page, you can see other options here. Just go ahead and select automations. Now, after selecting automation, you can see three tabs which include ticket creation, time triggers, ticket update. By the time you scroll down, you can see other things. Just go to the right side and click on new rule. After clicking on new rule, you have to give your rule a name. All right. After giving your rule a name, you have to add new condition for the rule. So this condition will act as a trigger. Yeah, this condition will act as a trigger for this particular rule. Then you have to select the kind of field the you want the using the drop down. Is it for ticket, is it for contact or company? And then you have to like define the action that the macro should perform when the condition that you've added here are met, and then click on save. And then just like that, the macros will be enabled in your Freshdesk. Hope this is clear. Thanks for watching and have a good day.